Now, News 13 Skywarn weather.
Well, 25 tonight. Looks like it's going to be a clear sky for us, and tomorrow, not a whole lot of change for us. 65 degrees and plenty of sunshine. We'll keep those stars around here in Farmington with 31 expected overnight tonight, with tomorrow's highs into the low 60s, and we're anticipating plenty of sunshine. The overall weather pattern is we have sunny days still, temperatures on the mild side, and cold and clear nights. We'll see more of the same, it looks like, over the coming days with the same weather trend, if you will. And occasional front will move on in. We do have that one moving in for this evening and into tomorrow. Not going to see a huge temperature difference for us as well. Right now, though, we're hanging out in the 60s off to our north in Taos, 65 Las Vegas, some 70s back off towards the southwest. And you take a look at the wind speeds, very quiet across the board, all because of this big ridge of high pressure that is overhead, keeping us up on the quieter side anyway. You occasionally see a few showers popping up in northern Colorado, some passing clouds, and some moisture trying to seep in off the Baja, but this ridge of high pressure is going to keep even that at bay. We are going to call this a pesky high, because that is exactly what it is. And this thing is not going to move for at least the next couple of days. We're going to keep temperatures on the mild side. We'll get a weak front moving in tonight. Tomorrow's highs won't be affected so much by this. Maybe we'll shave a few degrees off, but nothing of significance. We'll be in the 60s off to the north, some 70s down to the south, and then the changes start to appear as the end of the week and into the weekend at least enters into the picture. We'll increase the moisture potentially out of the south and west, and we will end up with some showers potentially by the end of the weekend, the beginning of next week. So while temperatures are going to stay on the warm side, that won't necessarily be the case for the weekend. 5 to 10 degrees above average for the near term, but over the extended, especially heading into next week, we will see those numbers fall back down, and we'll be actually near average where we should be this time of year, around 50s to the north and 60s off towards the south. So in the meantime, though, it looks like we will be staying mild. Not to mention, we are mild across most of the southwest to downright hot. Of course, we're seeing 90s in Phoenix, 70s in Los Angeles, same thing in San Francisco, a little bit cooler off to our north at 62 degrees in Denver, and tomorrow not a whole lot of change. We'll even see upper 50s from Denver back up to Rapid City, and 70s from San Antonio to El Paso and Los Angeles. So a little bit closer to home now, you can expect a clear sky tonight. We will cool temperatures as a result of that. It's always nice to see a few clouds around, because it keeps those temperatures from dropping too far, but we will be dealing with freezing temperatures in many locations, with the highs tomorrow back up into the 60s and even 70s. So the 7-day forecast, not a whole lot of change, at least in the near term. We'll keep temperatures on the mild side in the mid-60s, and we are watching that storm for the weekend. Could bring us some higher elevation snow as temperatures drop. Of course, during the day, temperatures in the mid-50s, probably see a little bit of rain. Farmington, 67 degrees tomorrow, and we'll be looking for highs in the upper 60s on Thursday. The weekend, we'll mix things up a bit with a chance for some showers and storms. Highs will drop actually in the 60s down into the 50s by Monday, and we will see a chance for showers potentially into the beginning of next week.